Hi everyone, here we've got a HOMTOM S9 Plus, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down a little in order to find the security. Let's tap on it. Now we have to scroll down again, and in a device administration section on the second position we've got unknown sources option. So in order to activate it, just tap on the switcher, and as you can see right now your phone shows you a warning that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because third-party apps are usually not verified by the developer, so they may cause some problems. Then you can make your data vulnerable. Just tap on OK if you're ready, and as you can see right now it is activated, so your device will allow installation of apps from unknown sources. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to, just tap on the switcher again. So actually that's all. This is how to allow unknown sources in your HOMTOM S9 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.